President Biden is pleading with Americans to get vaccinated against the coronavirus. During a CNN town hall last night, Mr. Biden said it's become a pandemic for the unvaccinated as the contagious Delta variant spreads across the U.S. He expressed frustration over the slowing vaccination rate across the nation, but he's optimistic that kids under the age of 12 will soon be approved for the shot. Laura Podesta has more.
At a CNN town hall in Ohio last night, President Biden said the vaccine has ended the COVID-19 pandemic for many Americans.
We've lost more people in the United States, over 630-some thousand people, than every major war we've ever fought in the United States of America. And that's come to a screeching halt for those who've been vaccinated.
Mr. Biden expects the FDA to grant an emergency use authorization for children under 12 to get the vaccine soon, and said unvaccinated students should wear a mask in school this fall.
If you're vaccinated, you shouldn't wear a mask. If you aren't vaccinated, you should be wearing a mask.
48% of Americans are fully vaccinated. In Missouri, that number is just 40%.
You don't want it to be your child.
Kristen Ruthstrand can't wait to get her 3 young sons protected from the virus.
We know that the vaccination is what is going to help keep our kids safe.
At Children's Mercy in Kansas City, Missouri, 11 children are currently in the hospital battling COVID-19.
Some do have underlying health conditions, but some are completely healthy, normal kids. A lot of teenagers.
Missouri Governor Mike Parson announced a new lottery program to encourage residents to get their shots.
I ask you to turn off the clutter. All the misinformation is out there. All the people that have a political agenda to talk about this virus.
The CBC is set to meet today to discuss whether or not COVID booster shots are needed. It will also address new concerns about the efficacy of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
That was Laura Podesta reporting.